Alright, so what we got here is our forklift. It's a Clark C500 YS80 with a 4-cylinder Perkins diesel. And we had some problems where it was shutting off on us. And it ended up getting so much water in the system. I think got 3 filters on the machine. We didn't end up replacing them. We were kind of behind on maintenance, and now this thing didn't want to start anymore, so we were kind of checking everything out and looking at the filters, and it wasn't passing fuel. So we figured, and another thing is it was filling up the engine with the block with diesel. So we took it apart, and we figured it might have been the lift pump, which is right there. And we took that apart. Show you guys. You want to pump that thing up, and these are all the filters right here. Pump that thing up.